Hi, my name is Deepak and this is my wife Nivya and my daughter Hazel. We are from Kerala. It was a long time wish to see the relics of Saint Francis, and it was particularly my wife. She said I want to go, and it was her very long dream to see. We actually came last year to see this relic, to see this church, but we unfortunately could not enter the church because there was some works going on. And so we made it certain that this year we will certainly come. And we came and we went inside, and it was very fulfilling to see the relics of Saint Francis, and to actually be there and to see the body, and the body looks exactly, does not have any changes. And there were some prayers we had in our mind. We have told to him, and we hope, and we are happy that this has come true.